Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I appreciate it. Welcome again if you are new. Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter thumbprint cookies. And you may be wondering what the heck is a thumbprint. It's one of those ones where the inside of the cookie is indented a little bit and there's jam in the middle of it. That's what a thumbprint cookie is. And the reason they call it that is because there's a little bit of a thumbprint in each cookie. So let's get started. Okay, these cookies are like insanely simple. Start with my all-time favorite food is peanut butter. We're gonna do a 1 cup of peanut butter, 3/4 of a cup of oat flour, and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And we're just gonna mix this up. Okay, and to finish getting this mixed the rest of the way, I'm gonna wet my hands and do it by hand. The reason I wet my hands is because the dough won't stick to my hands. It will only stick to itself, which is what we want. And then I'm gonna make 8 little balls and we'll show you how it's done from there. Okay, my hands are wet. Okay, and this dough here is gonna make 8 cookies. So I'm gonna basically cut it in half a few more times so I get what's gonna end up being 8 different balls. Just gonna roll that into a ball and just place it on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. And you want these to be about 1 inch thick. So I'm just gonna take my hand, I'm gonna press it down to flatten it, make it look like an actual cookie. Now I'm going to take my finger and just stick a little hole in there. Doesn't have to be perfect. Everybody's finger's going to look different. Okay, now we're going to take just a spoonful of strawberry jam and fill in those holes. Now these are going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes and then they'll be ready for dessert. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and hit subscribe so you can be notified of future videos. Thanks again. Have a great day and God bless.